Hello everyone, my name is Shailendra Mishra. I am presenting UVW Visionary Wellness Private Limited Company.
Innovation, precision, and trust to medical equipment. From hospital and clinics to surgical centers and government projects, we deliver a complete range of healthcare solutions. Our mission is simple to make healthcare efficient, affordable, and reliable so every patient receives the care they deserve. How we do it? Every UVW product is built on research, advanced technology, and strict quality standards. Following ISO, CE, and CDSCO certified practices, we ensure international grade performance. Our in house design and production team guarantees safety, consistency, and long lasting durability. Continuous innovation and feedback from healthcare professionals help us adapt our product to real world needs. Solution we deliver. We offer end-to-end medical solution from patient care to surgical excellence. Our range includes hospital furniture, surgical instruments, sterilizers, suction machines, trolleys, and more. From private clinics to multi-specialty hospitals, we deliver customized healthcare infrastructure that empowers professionals to save lives with confidence. We also handle large scale government tenders and turnkey hospital projects, ensuring efficiency and reliability at every level. What makes us unique? UVW stands apart through innovation, quality, and integrity. Combining engineering expertise, ethical sourcing, and exceptional after sales support, we provide more than products, we deliver reliability, safety, and peace of mind. Our client relationship, our client are partners. We focus on trust, timely delivery, and transparent communication with a dedicated service team, fast logistics, and bulk order capability. We build lasting relationship across India and globe. From inquiry to installation, UVW is with our clients every step of the way. UVW unifying visionary wellness, transforming healthcare together. Thank you.